In Book 7 of War and Peace, the Rostov siblings, Nikolai, Natasha and Ilya, go on a hunting trip on their country estate, deep in rural Russia. On the final evening, they stay at the humble dacha of a distant relative whom they affectionately call Uncle. He entertains them by playing a traditional song on his guitar. This captures the imagination of Natasha Rostova. Natasha threw off the shawl from her shoulders and ran forward to face Uncle. With her arms wide open, she struck a pose. Her brother Nikolai breathed in sharply, fearing she would make a fool of herself. But there she stood before them, smiling triumphantly, proudly confident that she could instantly master a highly skilled dance she had never even seen before. Natasha began to move with astonishing precision to embrace the music. Where had she learned this? When? How? This slim, graceful countess grew up in a world of silks and velvets and had been educated by a French governess. And yet she had somehow imbibed, just by breathing the Russian air, that unteachable spirit. Those watching had tears in their eyes as they laughed delightedly